Hi everyone, 안녕하세요. This is your Korean Sim, Gina. So today's expression is 입이 가볍다. Can you repeat? 입이 가볍다. So as you all already have noticed, 입이 가볍다 might be the opposite word of 입이 무겁다, the last lesson. So 입이 가볍다. Mouth is light. Let's see. Here, look at the picture. So a guy is telling something a lot. And look at his hand. He's doing this. So it means, he's telling secrets to others. This is secret, but don't tell anybody, but I'll tell you. And blah, blah, blah. So it's secret. He says it's secret, but tells others. Then we think he's not reliable. We call he is 입이 가볍다. It means to carelessly talk about others or other secret. So it is used to a person who likes to gossip and carelessly tell others secrets, like him. So, as you all noticed, it's the opposite word of 입이 무겁다. And there are similar expressions. Have a big mouth. In English, you can call him as a big-mouthed person. He has a big mouth. So, in English, you say 입이 크다. Big mouth is likely to tell others stories. But likewise, the 입이 무겁다, 입이 가볍다. We think if your mouth is 가볍다, it's easy to open. Let's imagine plastic mouth. It's really easy to open without strength. So 입이 가볍다 is the opposite. And also there is a same meaning of 입이 싸다. 입이 싸다. So 입이 싸다 is your mouth is cheap. So when you say 입이 싸다, your mouth is too cheap and it sells a lot. So, can you understand? Okay, so the opposite is 입이 가볍다, 입이 무겁다. Okay, let's look at the examples. A. 얼마 전에 여자친구랑 헤어졌다면서? I heard you recently broke up with your girlfriend. 괜찮아? Are you okay? 어떻게 알았어? How did you know that so early? And 지우가 그러던데? 지우 told me so. And B is angry. 지우 입이 가벼운 건 알고 있었는데 이 정도일 줄이야. I knew that 지우 has a big mouth, but this is worse than I thought. 이렇게 말해요. Okay. Number 1. Choose one with the same meaning as 입이 가볍다. Number 1. 입이 얇다. 얇다 is to be thin. 말이 많다. 말이 많다 is talkative. So it can be a little bit relative, but not really. Number 3. 입이 싸다. 입이 싸다. 입이 싸다? 맞아요. 말했어요. 입이 싸다, 입이 가볍다 is the same meaning. And number 4, 입이 크다. Don't be confused of English phrase and Korean. 입이 크다 in English is big mouth. So it sounds like, oh, it's 입이 가볍다. But we don't use 입이 크다 as an idiom. So it's 입이 싸다. Number 2, complete this sentence with using 입이 가볍다. Here, 그렇게 중요한 비밀을 blah blah 사람한테 말하면 어떡해? How could you tell that important secret to a person who has big mouth? 뭐예요? 입이 가벼운 사람 who has big mouth. 그렇게 중요한 비밀을 입이 가벼운 사람한테 말하면 어떡해? Okay. So, this is all for today. Hope you understand well and see you next time. 안녕히 계세요.